Espanol? No. No, I can't understand or even speak Espanol. Sorry. Espanyol ka na, kabayan? You're welcome for the gift and the spaghetti. Thank you. Are you a model? No, I'm not. I don't. Do I look like a model? Kasi ang ganda mo. Wow. Sana all. Sana all. Sana all. Sana na yung viewers. Good afternoon. Okay. Are you single? I'm single, but I have a kid. I'm not yet married. I have a kid. Can I have jacket? Why? I don't have jacket. I'm with years honor paperni grade 3 naman puti. Okay. Keep it up, Alexa. Kana, pagtarong mag-eskwela. Currently, how old is your kid? He is a boy. He is 4 years old. And he's there. The one that eats spaghetti. He always asks for spaghetti. Blue mood po. Thanks kaayo, te. Oo, paningamot, Alexa. Thank you po, Alexa. Paningamot ang skwila ka. Kay kuan, para makahuman. Mahalayo nun ay kay kuan ka ay. Pantawa. Tawa ninyo o dagan di kay halayo nun. Mukat-kat ko dira. Me too, I need spaghetti, your fried chicken. You like fried chicken? Yeah. Fried chicken. Fried sa naga, fried na sa pool. Beautiful family, thank you so much. Thank you, the show family. Thank you. God bless your family. Hoping to see your daughter. Si Kim ko. Okay, Kim. Bless you and your son. God bless to your family, the show family. Thank you. God bless you. So excited to see your daughter. Yeah, I dropped a comment on one of your videos. You will see later. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Shaw family, for watching my videos. Thank you. When the viewers, hello, good afternoon.